Toubani Resources has released the first results from its ongoing drilling program at Kabata Gold Project in southern Mali. Toubani's CEO, Phil Russo, is here to discuss the development. Hi, Phil.
Hi, Sonia. Thanks for having us.
So what's come back from the lab?
It's the first set of results for us from a drilling program that commenced earlier this year. 9 metres at 1.3, 14 metres at a gram. They are bang on what we were trying to find 650 metres away from the current resource. So what we've done is we've extended the overall mineralisation by a kilometre at Kabata, but particularly to the north, where this is a new frontier for us, we've extended it 650 metres with these holes, which is a great result.
Now, your project, Toubani, has 3.1 million ounces at this point.
That's correct. We've already got a head start on most other companies here with 3.1 million ounces, over 4.5 kilometres long of strike, and we've extended it by a kilometre today. And now at future programs, we're hoping we'll come back and infill that and see how much it can grow.
Are we talking about gold that's at depth or is it shallow? What sort of resource do you have?
So we're aiming for near surface shallow oxide ounces. Those oxide ounces are really important because they're cheap mining, cheap processing, and reduced capital. So really the economics of this project, if we can deliver and execute on finding more of these shallow ounces, will be impactful.
Well, I'm going to go back to it again, 3.1 million ounces, but you're a company that only listed on the ASX in November.
That's correct. So it's about our market profile, I think, at the moment, is building that awareness in the market that we have a really advanced stage project here with a study, permitted, and 3.1 million ounces at a $20 million market cap, perhaps even less today. So a lot of upside here for investors if we can deliver on these results.
So can you deliver on the results? You're in Mali, a jurisdiction that some people may be concerned about.
Yeah, and I think a little unfairly. We are in the southern Mali where all the mining activity is. Mining is so important to the Malayan economy. So we've got a really developed workforce. We don't have any expats on site. It's all locals that run our operation, and they do a fantastic job. So it's exciting for us.
So is it a jurisdiction that's supportive of Toubani and of mining in general?
Absolutely. It's a very mature industry, mining. It's very important to the economy for Mali. We're in southern Mali where all the mines are operating, where all the gold is to be found. You see Barrick and Resolutes and those sorts of companies all within the southern Mali where we operate. So we're in the right location.
So you've mentioned all those big players who are working in Mali. Is it possible that Toubani has an equal resource?
Look, we think we have a project that's much bigger than the project we have today. We think it has a lot of similarities to the Sagiri mine that Anglo have in Guinea. That's 50 kilometres away. We have the same rock, same geological signature, same controls. And so with drilling, we think that is on the table here in terms of a project that can grow to significant scale.
So now that you've got the results from the first drill hole, and they're obviously pleasing to the company, what will be the next steps?
Well, we'll continue to finish this program. So it was a 10,000 metre program. These are the first results. The rigs are turning as we speak. The results are coming through the lab. So we're expecting to release results every few weeks or so here for the next month or two. So investors will see some rapid news flow here and hopefully some good momentum.
Thank you very much for coming into our studios today, Phil Russo for Toubani.
Thanks, Sonia. Thanks for having me.